Hi guys, welcome back to Celebville Entertainment, where we bring you celebrity gossip and everything entertainment. Guys, Dr. Nandi Pamagudumana is currently going through a loss. She lost her mom. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. She is currently going through a loss while in prison. Sana, she can't even, be with her family to comfort her in this difficult time. But viewers, people, fans, nje, they think, she doesn't deserve nje ama-condolences wethu, because this person has done far, far worse nje for us to feel sorry for her. People are just against um her attending the funeral, they are just not having it. They are just not having it, Sana. So her mom lost her life, and as someone who is in prison, there's this pass out that you can apply for so that you can go and attend the funeral um, while you are escorted by police officers. But people are just not having it. They are saying, "Guta, this person is going to apply for this thing," and then the next thing we know, there was a robbery. Sana, they will say they got robbed on their way to the funeral, knowing very well that this person was planning to escape. So nje, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana doesn't deserve Leo pass out. That's what people are saying on Facebook. People are saying, Guti, what if there's nothing such as a funeral, Sana? This person is just plotting this just to escape, because she has plotted a lot of bad things. So it becomes quite a tricky situation to believe. But I think she deserves it, just to pay her last respects to her mom, Sana. Like, yo, I can only imagine losing your mom while you are in prison. There's no family to comfort you, no friends, no nothing. It's just you and those walls. Not that she doesn't deserve to be in prison, Sana. She deserves it. Of all of the things that she has done, she deserves it. Here are some of the comments that people have been saying on Facebook. Someone asked, who killed her mother? Is she not planning another escape saga? Which might be possible, Sana, for someone who was able to burn someone alive in prison. Hi, anything is possible with Dr. Nandi Pamakutumana, Sana. And then someone also said, if Nandipa would be granted pass out, so would Tabo Besta to support his wife or girlfriend, which is also something that can be true. One thing about Dr. Nandipa Magudumana no Tabo Besta, kuningi sana. Tabo Besta naye nje angabe sekathi, I want to support my girlfriend. Hi kuningi. So now someone said prisoners have rights too. Warders can accompany her to the funeral, and the next thing we hear, she escaped. She's in Zimbabwe. You angisathembi lutho mina. Which is something that is also possible. She might be planning a whole lot of people to just hijack the police cars, son, and take her. Someone who was able to bury Amamili Mills and pretend like they are burying someone. I don't trust this person. And someone said she must stay where she is. The funeral will happen with or without her. Asiyena stop almost, which means that she can just stay there. The funeral will go on, Sana. She doesn't stop anything. Angas, guys, please do share your comments in the comment section down below. Do you guys think she deserves to go to the funeral just for those few hours, or do you guys think she should remain where she is and not be um, granted that grace to attend the funeral, as she is a flight risk, a very, very high flight risk, Sana? I really don't know, guys. Please do share your comments in the comment section down below. I will see you on my next one.